These both act on GLP1, which stands for glucagon-like peptide. So when people are like, I didn't know Ozempic was a peptide. It is. So that's because it's working on something called GLP1 receptors. Do you guys know where your GLP1 receptors live? The answer is everywhere in your body. So what's cool about that is we think about it for weight loss because we think about it like, oh, it lives in our brain to tell us we're not hungry, or it lives in our gut, which is our second brain, by the way, to help our body slow down digestion. That's actually not true. It lives in your liver, in your kidneys, in your heart, in your lungs. And why that's important is when we take a GLP-1 and we're only chasing not eating, and that obsession of like, well, when I took it, it did nothing for me. Well, it might have done nothing for your eating habits, but it did something for your inflammation. Because when we can regulate blood sugar, we can actually really allow our body to rest, digest, and heal.